Welcome to my channel. My name is Nova, and today I am releasing a new tool called Android Debug Bridge Bluetooth Manipulation. This tool checks the Android Debug Bridge connection of Android devices all over the world, and allows manipulation of the device with just a few clicks. To start, you will need some Android IP addresses. I will be using some that I gathered from Shodan. Copy your list of IP addresses, and paste them into the tool, using Ctrl+V on your keyboard at the same time. Now just start, and wait for it to finish. The tool has finished checking all the devices, and there are some valid connections to play with. Be sure to save your valid lists, as they can be imported into the tool on the manipulation panel. All of the valids from checking have been transferred here. Click a device to select it and then click Connect. Be sure to disconnect the device before connecting a new one. The device is connected and you can install Android apps to the device, as well as can create backups of the device and even sideload a zip file. The second page of the manipulation panel allows a variety of flashing options, including reboot into recovery or bootloader. Along with the flashers is a fast reboot, an Android Debug Bridge reboot, and an OEM unlocking function. Here on page 3, you can take screenshots of the connected device. If an image is captured, it will then be displayed in the preview box. If not, then you may get a blank image, or error. Let's give it a try. Sometimes this can take a while depending on the device's location and connection, as well as your connection to them. And there it is, some unknown Chinese Android device. As you can see, some images cannot be captured. This may be due to the device not having a camera, or it is not even a cell phone. If an image is not saved, then this no image found screen will show. Thanks for watching. Check the description for the download link, and as always, comment, like and subscribe for new content.